FX week ahead. COVID-19 case count growing in Europe could weaken the EUR USD analysis. http://ntvforex.com News ID E957D887 2027 53:41 AM. Gold made record highs this week as the $2,000 figure was taken out for the first time. According to Bloomberg, the number of stories with the phrase "a gold price in" are at their highest level since 2013. With real interest rates falling in the US and a very weak USD, the stage is set for a potentially long bull run in gold and silver. However, any strong signs of an economic recovery and rising US interest rates would invalidate this outlook. The US stimulus bill is still not passed at the time of writing, and this, alongside COVID-19 case count numbers, has kept the USD pressured all week, helping major USD pairs higher. NBSP key events from the past week: gold rockets higher, takes out $2,000, August 4. Gold shot through the $2,000 level this week as US 10-year bond yields plummeted lower. It was further helped higher by continued dollar weakness on rising US COVID-19 cases and the delay in passing the US $2 trillion CARES Act stimulus bill. AUD RBA, resilient in face of risk, August 4. The RBA was more optimistic than the market had been expecting this week, as once again Governor Lowe did not seem concerned about the strong AUD. This allowed the AUD to rally higher out of the meeting, and positive risk sentiment helped the AUD higher. GBP UK interest rate meeting, August 6. In the COVID-19-induced crisis, there is lack of certainty on forward guidance, and even the debate around negative interest rates is uncertain. The Bank of England does not think negative interest rates are effective, but is not ruling them out either. Uncertainty abounds. NBSP key events for the coming week: NZD RBNZ cash rate, August 12. The RBNZ are expected to stay on hold next week and keep the cash rate at 0.25%. OIS futures price in only a 5% chance of a rate cut next month. However, will the RBNZ issue a surprise AUD employment rate, August 13? The RBA is expecting unemployment to remain elevated above 7% for the near term. However, any signs of severe employment stress, such as a reading of 8%, will potentially weaken the AUD, which typically falls during the month of August. COVID-19 case count growing in Europe. This week saw continued concerns about a second wave outbreak in Europe. If we see a fall in US cases, but a rise in European cases, this has the potential to weaken the EURist. NBSP Learn more about HYCM NBSP. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://mt5.expert.advisors.